All right, Michelle, thanks for talking to us. This is a quick update on Michelle. So she had a rotator cuff tear over 2 years ago that we repaired using arthroscopic techniques, as well as putting in some regenerative cells within her shoulder. How are you doing now?
Great.
Why did you have this procedure done?
Well, I was getting pain and came in, and I had been told by another doctor that I needed to have a reverse replacement of my shoulder. And I saw Dr. Urs, and he said he was sure he could fix it, and he did.
And what'd you get back to doing? What were you trying to go back
I'm
to doing?
playing tennis, serving overhead.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So let's see your range of motion. What do you got here? So full range of motion. What about getting above your head? Good. Behind your back. Awesome. That's awesome. Well,
Yeah.
thanks for talking to us, and glad this worked out for you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Bye-bye.